So let us install MT4 and MT5. So you have your setup files here. So this is for MT4 and this here is for MT5. You simply double click it or press enter to allow for it to install. And once the pop-up is up, simply click next. And it will install in a few seconds. You need to make sure that you have your internet connected to your computer. So once it is installed, it will direct you to the MQL5. You can ignore that and it will open automatically. Yeah? So this is the MT4. Now let us install the MT5. So the same. Click finish. So this is the MT4. And here we have the trading servers. So you need to choose the server for your trading account. And these details are usually sent to you via an email once you create your trading account via the broker platform. So when you log into the broker platform, the client area, that is where you can create your live account or your demo account. So if you created your account, you'll be sent the login details for your trading account, and here you can choose your servers. So you can choose your server, maybe live server or any live six, depending on the details that were sent to your email. And here you have your login credentials. So here you have the numbers and the password that were sent to your email. Okay, so once you log in, this is the MT4. It has several tabs. So we have the file, view, insert, chart, tools, window, help. Okay, so on the file, we have a drop-down list. On the view, we also have the drop-down list. So the view tab is important. The insert here, we have our indicators. So these are the inbuilt indicators with custom indicators that come with the MT4. We have indicators for the trend, like the moving average indicators. We have the oscillators, etc., etc. We have lines, we have channels. So all these tools for you to use for analysis. Here we have the charts, the tools. Here we have options if you want to go and do customized setups. And here we have the market watch, the navigator, and down here we should have what we call if you go to the view, we have the terminal. So if you click the terminal, it will come this one. So view market watch, it is the market watch. And in the market watch, you can show all to get all the pairs that are in the MT4. And the same to the MT5. So you can see here, after installation, this is the MT5. It has opened automatically. And here you can choose the broker. So that is the broker. You click next. So you can connect to an existing trade account. So you choose your servers here. And once you enter your login credentials and finish, and then it will be up and running. So it has the same tabs. So file, view, insert, chart, tool, window, and help. So if you go view, market watch, we have the market watch. So view, market watch. So this is the market watch. You can show all to get all the symbols. So to open a new trading pair, so you have several trading pair. For example, you want to open EuroCAD, you right click and you choose chart window, so it will open automatically. So if I was connected to an account here, then the servers will be working and the chart would show itself. So let me connect an account real quick.